Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to find your PayPal routing number. Now you might want to learn how to find your PayPal routing number if you're setting up direct deposits or linking your PayPal account to other financial services. The routing number is pretty important for transferring funds directly into your PayPal account. So this video is particularly useful for anyone looking to streamline their financial transactions, usually by integrating PayPal with their bank accounts or employers. Now it's going to be short, sweet, and simple and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way until the end to learn how to find your PayPal routing number. Before we get started though, the PayPal icon, do make sure that it is up to date so that you can actually go ahead and follow along with this video. Sometimes these videos get outdated, but right now this is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and find your PayPal routing number. So first what we're going to do is that we're going to go onto our PayPal account. Now once you're on this screen here, you want to click on the hamburger icon, which is on the upper left hand corner. Next, what you want to do is click on direct deposit, which is located right under manage finances. Now from here, you're going to see a prompt that says direct deposit, get paid up to 2 days early. This right here is your PayPal routing number. Okay, so it's the number located underneath your account number. You simply just want to click on copy, and it's been copied to your clipboard. Now, whoever you actually give your routing number to, it is important that you always verify first that it is the correct routing number. You don't want to make sure that you get that wrong, or else there's going to be some issues in regards to payments. But even so, you can see that you can get paid up to 2 days early. You can even get your account number right above that, and you could even have a direct deposit form as well. So even so, this is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and find your PayPal routing number. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Take care.